The Center for Advanced Studies in Energy and the Environment was created in July 2007 by the rector of the University of Jaén. Its aim is to strengthen and unite the university's research and education programs in the areas of energy resources and their impact on the environment. The center aims to take advantage of renewable energy resources and all the benefits that they entail: lower costs, environmental sustainability, local development, technological development, and institutional support. The center has the following lines of research: solar radiation, weather and wind energy, photovoltaic solar energy, biomass and biofuels, genetic selection for the development of energy crops, engineering and regulation in power generation from renewable sources, and planning, management, and socio-economic and environmental aspects of renewable energies. The center was founded in 2007 with two objectives. First, to further develop our already extensive tradition of renewable energy research at the University of Jaén, and second, to respond to a preliminary strategic energy plan for the province. At this time, in addition to the formal creation of the center with its attending policy development, we have also created interdisciplinary research teams in this area and established official master's and doctoral programs in renewable energy. Our midterm objective is now to become a research institute. Our research group is devoted primarily to the prediction and assessment of wind and solar energy sources. In these areas, we have collaborated variously with the Ministry and the International Energy Agency on numerous research projects. At present, our main line of research is directed to improving the operability and forecasting of solar radiation, aimed primarily at application to solar thermal power plants. Within photovoltaic solar energy, we are working on three lines of research. The first one deals with the measurement and characterization of photovoltaic cells of various technologies, including crystalline silicon, thin film, and concentrator photovoltaics. The second line of research is dedicated to the characterization and quality control of large photovoltaic power plants. And the third is dedicated to integrating photovoltaic cells in buildings to meet their own energy consumption needs. One of our best resources for characterizing photovoltaic systems and cells is the external laboratory. This laboratory has all the instruments for measuring the electrical and thermal parameters of the different photovoltaic systems, as well as the relevant atmospheric parameters. Thanks to this team and this equipment, we can study photovoltaic systems from all three generations. First generation with silicon-based cells, second generation, which uses cadmium telluride, and third generation systems, such as concentrator photovoltaics and organic solar cells. In addition to the equipment we keep outside, we have the necessary instruments for the measurement and characterization of large photovoltaic plants in terms of energy, power, and thermal analyses. Additionally, the center has a solar simulator, which allows us to obtain the characteristic curves of concentrator photovoltaic cells. Having the facilities of the UNIBER project at our disposal, we have set up a laboratory to study photovoltaic consumption, where we try to make the profiles of photovoltaic energy generation correspond with user consumption profiles. Additionally, we use this laboratory to investigate hybrid photovoltaic systems, in which diesel generators are integrated into photovoltaic power generation systems. Another line of our research is the use of agricultural waste to generate products of interest, paying special attention to the waste produced from pruning olive trees and extracting olive oil. These products include ethanol and other renewable fuels, as well as natural antioxidants that are used in the food and pharmaceutical industries. The Bioenergy Laboratory has equipment designed for the characterization and evaluation of lignocellulosic waste for possible use in energy. We also have other equipment to test the main conversion processes of such waste into energy. For example, a pre-treatment reactor and machinery for enzymatic hydrolysis and fermentation. There is a growing interest in the use of alternative energy crops, that are more environmentally sustainable and that don't compromise arable surfaces, particularly those that can be cultivated on marginal land. One of these crops is white mustard, a plant related to rapeseed, which grows in our region and has potential as an energy crop. The main purpose of this project is to analyze the potential of this species as an energy crop. Another line of research at the center is called Engineering and Regulation of Renewable Energy Systems, which consists of the design, control, and regulation of renewable energy sources, and works in conjunction with electrical systems and under various operating modes. The projects that we have developed can be divided into 3 phases. The first phase is the interconnection with the power grid of medium and high voltage electricity systems. The second phase is the design of facilities for various applications and uses. And the third phase is the integration of these renewable sources in smart grid systems. Another line of research at the center deals with the planning, management, and various socioeconomic aspects of renewable energies. We consider this to be very important, since it studies the benefits of the use of renewable resources in our local area, which, apart from being good for the environment, also promotes biodiversity, socioeconomic development, and job creation. Working jointly with the Center for Advanced Studies in Energy and the Environment at the University of Haiyan, ANDEL has developed different research and development projects, mainly in the areas of renewable energy, consumption, and network management. It is important to highlight a project to create a commercially available photovoltaic kit for self-consumption. It is also important to highlight the Faro Smart Grid project, which represents the first energy management smart grid in the railway sector. Business sectors and/or public entities to whom the research is directed. Individuals and companies that need technical advice regarding any of the alternative energies studied at the center. Research and development agencies and manufacturers that require experimental trials. Educational institutions that need courses prepared on demand. And universities, businesses, and other establishments involved in regional, national, and international research development and innovation.